If you want to learn how to chat with Taobao supplier step-by-step tutorial, you have to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step on how you can chat with supplier on Taobao even if you don't know how to speak in Chinese. This is very much possible and easy. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm a procurement and importation coach. If you want to contact me for importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can chat with Taobao supplier. So this supplier right here, I want to talk to them. So for you to communicate with the supplier, you just have to click on here. It's going to open chat box right here. So what you need to do is to start to chat with them. So if you don't know how to type in Chinese, or you don't know how to speak in Chinese, that's not a problem. What you need to do is to make sure you download Google Translate. You can get Google Translate for free on your Android phone or your iPhone. So just make sure you download Google Translate. I'm going to click on it right away. So the next thing I'm going to do, I will type in English language and say hello. Then it automatically translates to Chinese, just like what you see right here. And I'll click here to copy the type. Then I'll head over back to my Taobao chat box. I'll click on here. Then I'll click and hold down. I'll paste. Then I'll click here to send the text. So the message has been sent. So by the time I translate here on read, it means that the supplier is not online. They have not read the message. So as soon as they read this message, they will definitely reply me. So I can go back to my type right here and continue my chat. Say, do you have this product in store? I want to buy now. Then I'll copy, go back to my Taobao right here. You see they have replied me. I'll paste here and I'll send. So let's quickly translate. So let me use my global translation. So my global translation is going to translate everything. So you can see it right here. It says some. So this simply means that sometimes the translation translation might give some response that is not similarly to what you expect, but psychologically you should know that what they are trying to say here is that the product is available. So I will just tell them okay. Then I'll go back to my Google Translate and I'll say okay. I'll type okay right here and I'll click on copy. I'll go back to my message box on Taobao. I'll click on hold down. I'll paste and I'll click here to send. Okay. So once you have communicate successful, and then the next thing to do is to place your order successful on Taobao. So this is how you can communicate with Taobao supplier step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial like this about China importation. If you want to contact me for business, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.